Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Unlucky. Oh, he put on his business hat.
This is fucking asshole. You are a fucking asshole. Smiling, go f yourself. Go ahead, go. You stop. Do something. We got that. Got to told you still. Go. Anh Bon. Ôi đụng rồi. Ai đụng vậy?
Ô nó bỏ chạy luôn.
Ôi.
Oh shoot. Oh my god.
Oh, lucky we're not over there. Để nó chạy.
Để cho nó chạy đi.
Oh my hand.
Oh my god. It could have been
They just, too many people moved to them. Austin, Texas, too many fucking people. It's just an absolute shit show. Trying to get from the airport.
Road rage instigator. Enter stage left. Sleek prowess of an all-black SUV. Only belongs to one person in Los Angeles. The douche nozzle. Driving in the carpool lane by themselves, cutting across 3 lanes of traffic with reckless abandon. The only thing anything could happen is if they come across another douche nozzle, which are very prevalent along this 405 stretch in Van Nuys. Now the smaller, much older douche nozzle senses danger from the younger douche nozzle. A hand is raised, gesturing ready to combat. Challenge is accepted, and the first stone is cast. In efforts to defend her territory, the older douche nozzle gives chase to the young, territorial male. The young male is trying to be territorial in the wrong part of town. Quickly, very quickly, finds out. Tables have turned. Now the young douche nozzle is in danger. The older douche nozzle has 2 other cohorts in tow. Between all of them, They are coordinated in an effort to drive out the younger douche nozzle. Now the young douche nozzle went from invasive to evasive, sensing the danger around. Death might be just at douche nozzle's rear bumper. Ruler of the land is setting up for a very precise, high-risk attack. One final attack, the one done properly, chases the young douche nozzle out of the land. All douche nozzles triumph in victory. Onward to continue patrolling the land.
We don't smoke no more. No? Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, this guy, this dog.
It's okay.
This dog had a. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Save that.